attention from my husband. You're excused. Make certain you drink waking. You just killed two last night. Yeah, well, that was different. He was getting on my nerves. I promised Cole I wouldn't kill anymore. And killing Malik would have been a huge betrayal. Malik? You're on a first-name basis with the demons?
If you were just going to order him to stop, you could have done that on your own. Why did you even come to us?
Because I missed you guys. Okay? Is that so wrong? I missed you.
But Phoebe, you can't be the queen of the underworld and a charmed one. You can't have it both ways.
Why not? Just because it's different doesn't mean that it can't work. And you all miss me too, even though I'm sure Piper probably doesn't want to admit it to herself. Hope's gonna miss you, honey. Well, you can have me back. You can have the power of me back. You just have to be willing to meet me halfway.
Phoebe, you can't protect the innocent and save demons. It just doesn't work that way.
Apparently it does. He's alive, isn't he?
Yeah, but your friend Malik is gonna come back.
You don't know that.
That's what they do, Phoebe. They come back. They snarl and come back. Yeah, and now we have to worry about protecting him instead of trying to save you.
You think I need saving?
Are you kidding me? That baby inside you has corrupted you.
I suggest you beat your cheating husband with his secretary, Stapler. Then he'll think twice before bending her over her desk again.
Well, might be a little harsh, but I can make the point.
What it makes is a lawsuit. So unless you're looking to lose your job, threatening me, I'm telling you to get a shrink if you have to, but get it together.
Paige,
You're frozen, Leo, and I'm guessing demons didn't get her.
No, I can't her demons. Can't believe she's frozen. You okay?
Barely. It was a different demon this time. They really want that guy dead. They're gonna have to heal him and move him somewhere safe.
Then what?
Then I'm gonna put the family back together. Can you heal Piper?
No, I can't heal someone with bullets.
Great, now I'm down 2 sisters.